Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to restore the pre-made WordPress website using the WPVivid Backup plugin. This tutorial is gonna be useful for any backup you have using WPVivid Backup, not only for the pre-made WordPress store we have. So once you made your purchase, you're gonna get the link to download the backup. Then you're gonna head to your WordPress site and go to plugins. I'm gonna add new WPVivid and go to upload. Go to the folder where you have the downloaded files. And once you selected the file, click on upload. So once the upload is complete, you're gonna see the pop-up at the top that says the upload has completed. Click on OK. You're gonna scan upload or received backups. You're gonna see it here, the recent one. Click on restore and then restore. Are you sure? Continue. Restore completed successfully. You're gonna click on OK to get the email and the password used for the pre-made WordPress store. You're gonna find it in the downloaded files for your purchase. So let's go to see the website first. Yeah, here we go. We have the store. We have the store here. Let's go back to the login page. Once you log in, you will see that you might find that there are some updates that needs to be taken care of. So let's go to plugins, installed plugins, and update all the plugins we have here. Once all the plugins has been updated, go for updates, dashboard updates. Let's check for WordPress updates. Check again.